There is a brand new legal framework that forces debt collectors to completely erase what you owe them within 35 days, and almost nobody knows it exists yet. If you have ever been stuck paying off a credit card or a massive personal loan that a toxic ex, a family member, or a scammer secretly opened in your name or forced you to take out, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. Historically, if someone used your information or manipulated you to rack up massive debts, the giant banks simply didn't care. They would destroy your credit score, send ruthless debt collectors to harass you at all hours, and legally force you to pay for a mess you did not create. But a landmark new law just completely changed the rules of the game. It is called the Coerced Debt Law. While it is rolling out in New York right now, financial experts are predicting this exact framework will rapidly sweep across the entire country, and you need to know exactly how to use it to protect yourself. The law officially recognizes something called economic abuse. This covers fraud, intimidation, manipulation, and the non-consensual use of your personal information. Under this new legislation, if you send a creditor adequate documentation, like a standard police report or sworn statement from a licensed professional, the creditor is legally forced to stop all collection activities on you immediately. From that exact moment, the clock starts ticking for the bank. The bank has exactly 10 business days to contact the credit bureaus and flag your debt as disputed, instantly protecting your credit score from taking further damage. They then have exactly 30 business days to conduct a full internal investigation. And here's the best part. During this time, they are legally banned from contacting the person who abused your credit. Within 5 days of finishing that investigation, if the bank cannot definitively prove that you willingly took on that debt, they are legally required to permanently cease collections and completely delete the negative marks from your credit report forever. But what if the bank tries to ignore you? The law gives you a massive sword to fight back. You can take them to court for a declaratory judgment. If the judge agrees the debt was coerced, the bank is banned from ever collecting it from you, and the person who actually racked up the debt is held entirely responsible for paying it back, plus your attorney fees. Furthermore, the state attorney general can fine non-compliant banks up to $5,000 per single violation. This legislation is actively shifting the burden of proof away from the victim and putting it squarely onto the massive financial institutions. This is a massive historic win for consumer rights. Do you think this law should be implemented at the federal level immediately? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button to help spread this crucial information to people who might need it, and subscribe for more financial secrets the banks absolutely do not want you to know.